Oh, what happened? I think he got constipated or something. He froze up here. SpookYouLaterz here. Star date, September 12th. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. That's right. There's a Spirit Halloween, and the owner or somebody keeps telling me to come over here. So guess what I'm doing? I'm here with the fam. Gotta go to Six Flags tonight, Fright Fest, and we're gonna check out this Spirit Halloween. Looks like I've been to this a long time ago, but I don't know. Let's go inside. Is it open? Open? Maybe? Maybe so. There we go. Dun dun dun. Oh, look at that, man. Oh, whoa, look at this. This one is hooked up. This is the best one by far. Holy smokes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is why they're telling me to come over here. I still got him. I haven't put them together. This week I will get to him. But I'm in heaven right now. This has everything. Mr. Howells. He wants you, baby. He wants to touch your butt. I haven't even seen him yet at all. This is my first time. This dude is ginormous though, for reals. Oh, what happened? I think he got constipated or something. He froze up here. Let's try it again. His eyes are on. I heard there's problems with him though, but let's see if we get him to go again. Yo, Mr. House. What's going on? He is huge. Whoa, Buzz almost took your head off. Check him out, man. He's working. He's looking good. We got the hauntress right here. No. Oh, she did work. Is he ginormous or what, Harps? That's Mr. Howell. Look at him. He is as big as Crouchy. More pumpkin guts. Look at. They got them all. I'm having a party right now. Is he working? Oh, he's kind of stuck. All right, look at, they got all of them. Check it out, man. Oh, he's not really twitching and doing his thing.
Remember this car. It'll be the last thing.
Oh, they need to move him up a little bit. All right, let's check this guy out. He working? Look at, where's his body, Hearts? He's all skinny. He's just rags. I dig it. Man, we got the dancing queen.
It seems you've picked.
Oh, they got that at Six Flags. Yeah, they got Henry Hustle at Six Flags. They picked him up, man. That's pretty neat. Man, homeboy just cracking up over here. That was me last night at Six Flags. There was a dude I totally missed. He was running so fast he fell. And my camera was on, and I was laughing like that. All right, red eyes. It's the red eyes. Check it out, man. Oh, they got the sewer permit. Man, oh, they got Grim. I'm gonna turn this one into Brick Thunder. Watch. Oh my God, this is like a total Halloween party here. That's right, Grim, right.
You look like death walked over, my friend. This is good.
Oh, how groovy.
There will be enough of us. And we will
And all his little minions back there.
until we hold this night. Are you with me? Tonight is the
I'll just come back around one more time just to get a nice view. It's really loud over there. He keeps freezing. He's doing the freeze dance. And Nate over here just having a good time from YouTube. I'm sorry, man. And I did that in a nice way, people. Some people are taken out of content. I swear, so damn uptight. Fucking people. All right, let me kind of get one more pan around here. Look at this. They have it hooked up at this store. Man. All right, let's try this. The music is kind of loud. There he goes. He's shaking now. I liked him and I was going to get him, but the only thing I didn't like were the arms. Like separated right here looking. I didn't like that. But I like him. He's pretty cool. Not going to diss him. I'm going to get him go off one more time. All right, let's see. They don't have Harriet Hustle.
Sit right up and pick a card. It seems you've picked.
Okay, let's move on. Because there's the whole other section over here. And my fam's over there. Oh, look at that. There's Pixelated Pumpkin. And they got Hunt Farmer. And that could be Brian from SpookYouLaterz right there.
No, she said that's her.
Yeah. So that could be us, Art.
No, she's the guy. She said,
Oh, no, I'm the guy. You're the rag doll.
she said she's the guy.
I like this, man. That is so cool. Smoke? Oh, man. She's got a broken neck or something. Oh, no, there it goes. I didn't recall her neck work like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's supposed to have fog coming out of his mouth. Or really her. And what? It blows no matter what. It looks cool. Man, this store has got it going on. So make sure you guys, San Antonio, Southwest Military, 135.
They make me wanna pummel things with my hammer again. I think I'm going crazy again.
Man, Puncture Pete is moving. Homeboy is on speed. Look at him, man. He's just headbanging away like he's at a rock and roll concert. I don't remember him moving like this. Damn, homie, does it hurt? You're having a bad day, aren't you? Man, I could be wrong, but I've never seen a Puncture P or a Pixelated Pumpkin moving so fast. Yep, Soul Harvester and the little girls, Brian from SpookYouLaterz.
Look at me, just as all the others have. Now that I have you, your soul will be mine forever.
I love this setup here. Wow. All right, let's keep on trucking and see what else they have. All right, so they do have some props here. All right, they got this one, the Headless Jack, the Sitting Scarecrow. How cool. Oh, these are new. Look at that, that's my wife and I. Check it out. See if they got any of the new ones. You know what? I don't think I've seen this one yet. What the hell is she doing? She looks like she's making cake. Mixing a cake batter. What the fuck are her hands doing here? Oh, you know, some people get turned on with that one. Do her eyes light up or anything? Let's see if any of them other. Nah, well, I don't know. Let's try it again. Look at her.
Please help me.
She looks like she's masturbating somebody. She's masturbating. Because it sounds like she's saying it's hard. Listen, watch.
Please help me. Please help me. No. No. No.
See, it's just, it's hard. It's hard.
Please help me. No.
She's, woo. I might take her home just for my pleasure. Get it? All right, check this out, man. I've never seen this one. Let's see. Here's another one. Oh, it just lights up like that. That's cool, though. I dig it. And she needs new batteries. And and he's not doing nothing. Oh, shaker.
You look familiar. Because I've been hiding under your bed.
Too funny, man. All right, check it out, man. They got these ones. I ain't seen these ones. These are the new ones too. I like that. This old school mask stuff is really neat. But old Frankie right here looks really neat. Let's check him out. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh, there's that loud ass Sam. He's so damn ass loud, man. Watch. There he is, all the way over there, and I can hear his ass. That is so funny. All right, let's go. I know there's a lot of new stuff for 2021. I haven't seen it anywhere else. And they got some Spirit Halloween merch right here. I like that. So much fun. It's scary. I dig it. Man, that our Wraith, I think, is loud. She's loud. Oh, we got an inflatable over there too. Man, there's so much stuff. Look at that. Let's go over here. Oh yeah, check it out, man. They got a big old inflatable over there. Let's go sneak by it. Lots of stuff in this store, man. They are hooked up. But check it out, man. They got a big old Reaper. I like that. Yeah. Spirit Halloween has all these new inflatables too. This one's really neat. Is there a light in here? Yeah, check it out. That's pretty spectacular. I dig. Y'all dig? Haha. All right, check it out. So we got some kids costumes and things like that. That's the norm. And let's see what else. There's my fam over there. All right, I'm gonna squeeze right through here. Excuse me. What? The pantyhose. Oh, the pentagram. Harper. Well, your brother be teaching you the nonsense.
I know.
Anything else you see that's new? Damn! I tell you, this boy is just ticking away, man. He's on acid. All right, so the kids over here. Let's see if there's any new masks, anything. I like this little area. It's nicely put together here. It's nice and smooth. Oh, you gonna be a dinosaur? Rawr. I don't see any real new masks. But yeah, there's a lot of new things that the stores don't have as of yet. No. Check it out. Man, look at this. I like this. They need to put some more props right here, just for no reason. Like Shorty. I haven't seen Shorty yet either. Man, I'm digging this store. All right. He's got avocado. Oh my goodness. All right, hopefully you guys like this video. I'll be at Six Flags Just Texas tonight. One more night of Fright Fest. And then I'll put a video together of all the jump scare compilation screams and all that sometime tomorrow or so forth. But I'll probably get this video out tonight. And then Hallow Scream next weekend.
Thank you, lots of Facebook.